Slice it, glue it.
Hello friends, today I'm going to share with you all a healthy and nutritious dish called green gram roti and green gram paniyaram.
Let's slice it.
To get started, soak half cup of green gram in water around 6 to 8 hours like overnight. After 8 hours, drain the green gram completely and transfer the green gram to a hot box. Now close the hot box with the lid tightly and leave it for 24 hours. On next day, you'll be getting a very long sprouts which is so healthy to have. Now transfer these sprouts to a mixer jar and add some salt. Now grind to a thick paste without adding any water because the moisture in the green gram is quite enough to grind it. Now keep this aside and let's make a spice paste. For this, ginger, garlic, green chili, pepper, cumin seeds, fennel seeds, onions. Now grind everything to a fine paste. Add this paste to the sprouts mixture. Along with these, add some chopped onions. Mix everything well. Our sprouts mixture is ready to make rotis. I have applied some oil on the butter paper and take a small portion of the sprout mixture and flatten it slightly. Make sure the edges are sealed well and flatten the roti evenly. Our roti is ready to cook. Apply some oil on a medium hot tawa and spread it nicely. Now transfer the roti to the tawa. Cook the roti on a medium flame. Flip and cook both the sides. Both the sides are cooked well. Our sprout roti is ready now. To prepare paniyaram, I have added 2 tablespoons of semolina in the sprouts mixture, which gives a roasted texture outside and soft inside as well as. Adding semolina to the batter is totally optional. You can skip it if you don't like it. Add some oil, close the lid and cook for a few minutes on medium flame. Now flip the paniyaram and cook both the sides. Both the sides cooked well, our sprouted green gram paniyaram is ready to serve. I'm so happy to share this healthy dish with you all. Do try this recipe at your home too. I meet you all in my next video. Bye bye.
Let's slice it again. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos, please subscribe our channel. Bye.